Hey guys, what is up? Now, what we have here is a little pile of boxes, and you know what? I'm not 100% sure what we've got here. You'd think I would. I bought the crap. So you know what? I thought it'd be fun if I went ahead and turned the camera on and we figured out what we've got here together. Yes, we'll be able to get what you want. Let's see here, what do we got? Okay, so what we have here is a Mantis. This is an original redline car from the 70s. Let's see here if we can get this in shot. Cool car. I've actually picked up a couple of these. The reason why I bought this, let me show you. So here's some recent purchases, and I have not one, not two, but now I have 3 Mantises. And what I wanted to do is I was trying to put together at least enough parts to make one good Mantis. And this one was ultra cheap, and it's also a model I really like. So anyway, I just picked that up. It was a sort of a bonus to go with these two. And then I think I've got enough parts here I can put together one completely original Mantis. This one even has really nice wheels, so I can get a 100% original car. Creative packaging. Okay. All right, guys. So what we have here is a Hot Wheels 2-pack, and this is the 2-pack that has the square body and the GMC Cyclone. And these are in a Borla livery. Yeah, I wasn't really planning on buying this. It sort of fell to me, and I think I paid about 15 bucks for the cars, and that by itself would have been fine, but I had to pay shipping too, and that kind of ruined the deal. Anyway, I'm glad I got it. This is a really cool pack, and this came out at a time when I was able to find anything I wanted, and this was one of the first things I couldn't get. Okay. Now the next two, I kind of have an idea of what we've got, and this is pretty cool. There we go. So I am a sucker for vintage Lesney diecast. Okay, this is a weird. This is this is the day of creative packing. So what we've got here are 3 Lesney vehicles. These are from the 60s. Again, these were kind of cars that fell to me. And all these cars I got for like $2 a piece. They were really cheap. This is the first edition Unimog. And I think this came out in '67. And it's not perfect. It's got a little scuff here, scuff there, but this is like an 8 out of 10. And seriously, I paid under $5 for this car, plus shipping. But since I bought 3 together, I was able to get the shipping down to about $2 a piece. So what we got here is a number 32 Leyland petrol tanker. And look at the condition. There's a little scrape right here, a little bit of chipping on the back. I mean, imagine getting a Hot Wheels car from the 60s in this kind of condition for under $5. Impossible. Absolutely impossible. This bus, it's a 9 at least, and I got it for under $5. Very cool, very cool. All right, next up. I do know what this is for sure. And a mess. So what we have here is a Hot Wheels 100% Rock and Road box set. This is, it's one of the kings of the box sets, if you ask me. It's not the #1 box set, but it is right up there. We've got 2 lowriders. Huge fan of lowriders, but this is one of the moving suspension up and down lowriders. And yeah, Super stoked to get this. Again, it was a good deal. I think I got the whole pack for about 50 bucks. And that's not insignificant money, but these are 20-year-old cars that I bought for $12.50 each. So I'm not going to complain about that. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in here real quick. You know what guys, I've actually already edited and uploaded this video to YouTube. So if you're seeing this, I've actually gone through a lot of trouble to insert this section. So I hope it's worth it. I wanted to show you a few more of the 100% sets. And when I talk about the 100% sets, I really mean the 100% line in general, because the 100% line, in my mind, is the height of Hot Wheels. They're the best quality cars they've ever made, not counting the RLC, and Elite 64 is pretty much about the same quality. Now, this is the one I just picked up, and I think this is one of the best sets to get, but I included a couple of the big dogs. I consider the heavy hitters of these 100% sets. I got the Ed Roth set that has several of Ed Roth's cars that Hot Wheels did in the early 2000s. And also I have the Lowrider Magazine Lowrider set. I think this is one of the absolute best sets you can get. Personally, I think the best set, the most premium set, the most sought after set is the Porsche set. Sadly, I do not have that one, but it is a really nice set of cars. And then I just included a few more. This is one way these cars were released in the black box era. And of course, this is a lowrider with a moving suspension, 69 Riviera, and then I have a 70 Monte Carlo. You know, some of the decos on these aren't great, but the quality of the cars can't be questioned. Okay guys, I think that's going to do it for this. I just wanted to talk a little bit more about these Hot Wheels 100% cars because they're really special. I'll go ahead and go back to the past. So yeah, that is it. That is my eBay haul. Let's get this crap out of here. And we have a Mantis. Yeah, this is a nice mix of interesting vehicles. We have 60s Lesney, we have 70s Hot Wheels, 2000s Hot Wheels, and then the brand new, well really I think it was 2021. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you next time. Alright, y'all take care.